check the truck before we start. Make sure everything okay. We're gonna return this one. We rented already. Just to make sure everything's secure. Okay. Gonna secure that one. We don't want surprises. Okay. And then we'll set this one here. And that's the driver for this truck. Okay, now we check. Before we start, we'll make sure everything's fine. Okay. Okay, guys. That's what I wanted. It's supposed to be checked every morning before you start. To make sure there's no surprise on the road. And it's by the law you have to do it. Okay. Now check any leak. The problem here, we're going to check the oil. And we'll check the tires. There's nothing missing, nothing flying away, and all secure and tight. Here and there, nothing. It looks normal here. Okay, nice. All plated okay. Then okay guys, we're gonna check the oil. I'll take your time. And thank you very much.